Hello, Hanson Huskies. Happy Thursday to you all. This is Paget's Period 1 class. How you guys doing? Hopefully great. All right, we're going to review go over what we're going to do today for your language arts, focusing again on long A and short A. Remember that the long A sound makes its name. It says its name. And short A sounds like ah. We went over that yesterday. Let's take a look at your words in the box. They're the same ones that you had for your worksheet. What you're going to do this time is we're going to focus on the number of syllables in each of those words. We've done this activity several times in class, so you're going to be a pro at it. So just remember, it's very helpful when you clap and count the sounds where they are separated in the syllable. So for example, if we take the word Hanson, Hansen. How many syllables? 2. Okay, if we said Mississippi, Mississippi, how many? 4. All right, you guys have done this many times. You should be great at it. You're going to read your words and then sort them. Spelling words that have just 1 syllable, spelling words with 2 syllables, spelling words with 3 syllables, and then down here at the bottom, you're going to think about the meaning of these words. Numbers 9 through 12, that's just 4 words. You're going to read the definition and match the word that has the meaning. So number 9 says to find. Which word means to find? Number 10, real, not fake, the opposite of fake. Find the word that matches that description. Number 11, crew or personnel. Which word means that? Crew or personnel. And finally, number 12, you may not be able to see that on this screen, but you'll see it on your worksheet. Fine mist, a fine mist, like a spray. When it's a hot day and someone sprays you with a spray bottle, that mist, that's what we're talking about, okay? I might have given you the answer. Oh, well. Anyway, do your best work, my friends. Don't forget to take photos of your work and send it off to me so you can get credit. We are recording who's doing their work, so make sure you're one of them. Demonstrate responsibility. Do your work without your parents having to tell you to do so, and have a great day. See you guys.